In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a sign-in page in Lovable AI, whether you're a beginner or someone with a bit more experience. This guide will walk you through every step you need to get your page up and running smoothly. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to lovable.dev. This is where all the magic happens. Lovable AI provides an intuitive platform for creating powerful web applications, and building a sign-in page here is no exception. Once you're on the site, you'll find it's pretty user-friendly, which makes it perfect for designers and developers of all skill levels. Now that you're on the Lovable platform, the next step is to prompt Lovable's AI to generate a login or sign-up form for you. Lovable's AI is designed to make this process as streamlined as possible, so it takes just a few clicks and a little typing to have a basic form ready for you. Just keep in mind that while the AI does a lot of the heavy lifting, you'll still get to customize your form to suit your specific needs. With your form generated, it's time to ensure it functions properly with backend logic, which is where Supabase comes in. Supabase offers an excellent backend as a service, perfect for authentication features. By linking your authentication to Supabase, you ensure that your user's login data is handled securely and efficiently. Plus, it takes a lot of the back-end development concerns off your shoulders, allowing you to focus on creating a great user interface. If you're looking to provide additional login options, you might want to add Google Sign-In or integrate Enterprise Single Sign-On (SSO) as additional methods. These options can be particularly beneficial for users who prefer using their existing credentials from other platforms, enhancing the convenience and speed of logging in. Plus, having multiple login options can improve your app's appeal and widen its user base. Once you have the functionality set, it's time to focus on appearance. Lovable AI allows you to customize the look and feel of your sign-in page through simple prompts. This could be incorporating your brand's color scheme, changing fonts, or tweaking styles to better align with your brand's image. Customization gives your page a unique touch that matches your brand's personality. After you've made these customizations, it's crucial to preview and thoroughly test your sign-in page. This will ensure everything works as expected and provides a seamless experience for users. Testing is where you'll catch any potential errors or usability issues before going live. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and performs, it's time to deploy your sign-in page. Deploying makes it live and available for users to access, and there you have it. You've successfully created a fully functional sign-in page using Lovable AI. Remember, the key is to take your time with each step to ensure everything works smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy building!